Alright, let's settle one of the biggest debates in the investing world: value investing versus growth investing. If you've ever wondered which strategy is right for you, or if you're just trying to make sense of all the financial jargon out there, stick around. This could change the way you look at the stock market forever. Let's start with value investing. Imagine walking into a store and spotting a high-quality jacket on the clearance rack. It's brand new, well-made, and selling for way less than it's actually worth. That's the essence of value investing. Value investors are always on the hunt for stocks that the market has overlooked. Companies with solid earnings, low price-to-earnings ratios, and maybe even a nice dividend. The goal? Buy these on-sale stocks, hold on to them, and wait for the market to realize their true value. Think Warren Buffett. He's the poster child for this approach. Patience, discipline, and a sharp eye for bargains are the name of the game. But what about growth investing? Picture this. You're at a startup expo and you see a tiny booth with a product that could change the world. The company's numbers aren't huge yet, but you can just feel the potential. That's what growth investors are after. They look for companies poised for explosive growth, even if the current stock price seems high. Many of these companies reinvest every dollar back into the business, so don't expect big dividends here. It's all about betting on tomorrow's winners. Peter Lynch, for example, made his name by spotting these high-growth opportunities before the rest of the market caught on. Now here's the hook: neither strategy is better. They're just different tools for different jobs. Value investing is like planting a tree and waiting for it to grow, while growth investing is more like riding a rocket. Value might feel safer, but it can take time. Growth can be thrilling, but it's also riskier. So, which one fits you best? Here's what I tell people: know your goals, know your risk tolerance, and don't be afraid to mix and match. The best investors often use a blend of both strategies to build a portfolio that's balanced and resilient. If you want to sleep soundly at night, maybe value investing is your style. If you can stomach some ups and downs for a shot at bigger returns, growth investing could be your ticket. Bottom line, understanding the difference between value and growth investing is crucial if you want to navigate the market with confidence. The real secret is picking the approach that matches your personality and your goals. So, are you a bargain hunter, a growth chaser, or a bit of both? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more investing insights.